Got the stock shifter lever. You are going to need something to pry off the cap. There's a T25 socket or T25 Torx bolt underneath this, and then you're going to need whatever you need to affix this. In this case, it's a 3mm hex key, and easy enough. You just jam up under the back, twist, pry it up. There's a little key in the front that goes into these pieces there. Then you won't need that. Then you take your T25, there's a little washer in there you gotta get. That should just slide right off. And then this is notched for those so it indexes correctly. And then you will just tighten down your hex key, and there you go.